Today I'm going to show you how to generate bio cooking gas with bread. Yes, this is what we call bread. This is what everyone knows. So it should be in case if you buy bread and you see something like flour for the body or something spoiled, please don't throw it away. You can actually use it to make something else. But before we go into this, I want to say something. On our FK Entertainment, we are doing giving out of a giveaway of 5,000 naira every week to 50 people. So we are trying to do the same to my fans on FK Tech, my subscribers only. So I'm thinking of, but I want you to suggest something. Maybe I should give out miracle pump, a spark plug, element, or 5,000 naira to each 50 members every month on this FK Tech. So I want you to drop comment. The comment, how will I put it? The suggestion you bring, that is what I'm going to use. If let's say most of you select a spark plug, money, or miracle pump, that is what I'm going to give out. So I'll tell you how I'm going to do it at the end of or in my other videos when I'm ready for the after I get your suggestion. So let us go directly to this bread on. What we first thing, I think, come closer. Let me bring the light closer also. We are going to this bread on. Okay, you need water. First of all, you should know how to gum your gas top here, like this. If you don't know how to gum this, you should check my other video. Use this gum, and then how to just do it. And if you use something like for those of you who use all those cooking small cylinder double face, I think this is what you should use, this type. And if you use something like what is that one? Something like cooking gas phone, like unlike me, this is what I'm going to be using. So this one fitted to this one, so I'm going to use this one for my test. So that is what I use there. So first of all we are going to do is to put water in this place. Put water in this place. Please let it reach this level. You see, look at the level of water we have in here, not that full, you see. So from here now, I'm going to put this bread inside. I have 3 bread here in this place. So I'm going to just cut this bread. This is bread. It's a bread. I can eat bread. So I'm going to just cut it in this water like this. As you can see, like this. Let me cut it here like this. I'm actually eating the bread right now. Also, let me add more. The more bread you put, the more gas you have. So let me just put it like this. Let me put it like this. Nice one. And in short, let me use everything. Let me use everything like this. So this is what we have right now, and we are going to use this gum for the mouth of this, so that we can just close it. We can just close when I cover it, everything seal. So we are going to use this gum at the top here like this to seal everything. To get everything sealed together. This like this. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is to cover it. So just cover it like this. So after this cover, you need to wait for some days, depending on your bread and the size of this. You get it? So you need to wait for some days. If you use all those bread that contain coconut, it is maybe 5, 6, 7 days. But this one, let us see how many days. I'll be coming here and fix my gas on top to test. Whenever the thing done, that is when I'm going to show you. So let us wait and see for some days. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is just 5 days. This is 5 days right now. And if you look down here, show here, you can see that everything swell up. Here, everything swell up. Look here. Look at the gas face to face. You can see I'm coming. Let me shift the light closer. You see? You see? So no way to open this thing. No way to open this thing. But if you open it, it will just escape. You see? So now let us test it and see. We are going to use this small gas, mini gas top for the test. So let us open it just for the test. Just for the test. Yes. So we are going to tie this place to this top like this, and just like this. Just like this. Then you turn it on here. Yes. You can hear that is making shh already. Let me shift back this light a little bit so that you can be able to see the test very well. Yes, turn it on, and then on the gas. You see? You see this? So this gas now, this light is from this gas now is from this rubber up here, and just bread generate this ordinary bread. You see? Just bread generate this. Turn it off this way, and you can also turn it. See, nothing else is not connected to any other place. It's just it's just the gas from here. Inside here, you see it. Let me bend the light for you to see down there. You see down there. So that is it. Generate and then bring it up to this place. Let me test it again. This is how it works. See? So that is it. So thank you very much. You can construct this to be using in your house. And before I go, let me remind that fkTech will never ask you to send money. No, but we don't ask people to send money. We don't sell anything, and we don't construct anything for anybody. Thank you very much. My name is FK, and this is fkTech. Thank you.